Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can trade on eToro. So let's go and do that. First of all, you need to know I'm in demo account, just that I can show something. You can also always switch to real if you want, but I'm on the demo account. Now here on the left side you will see this home watch list portfolio and discover. So click on discover. And at the really top, you will see overview stocks. I can click on it. Click on that. Crypto. You have pro investors, smart portfolios, and so on. I will go with crypto and click on Bitcoin. Now, right here, you see some news, something about crypto. Then you have investors trading BTC. People also bought those kind of currencies and other stuff like stocks. Now, at the really right top, you will see this green button, trade. Click on that. Okay, so what we can do now, we can set amount which we want to trade. We can set stop loss if we want. So let's go something like that. And like so, available USD. And we can buy ourselves now the BTC. And here we see now this Bitcoin which we bought. So now we can go to the chart right here. And you will see here this green and white circle. This means you're buying where you bought. And yeah, this is how you trade here in eToro. Also is the same with stocks. You can also copy pro investors, so you need to find some good investors also and just copy them with their trades. So I can invest here like so. You can also set up your amount which you like. And yeah, this is how you can trade here in eToro. If you are just for crypto, then just be here in this crypto and you can always trade like that. You can also select chart and choose where to buy. So you can trade, click trade, and then as we did before, set up our amount and then hit buy button like so. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next